Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. This is Shariful Islam. Before you, I'm going to take salam. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. I'm going to show you the natural things that has been made from Allah. Actually, I'm a fond of traveling. I would like to travel here and there to acquire new knowledge. Traveling is very important for me because without traveling it is quite impossible to me to be fit. So whenever I feel boring, then I try to go to nature to remove my boringness. At the time of traveling, I meet a person. Actually, I don't know his name, so I'm going to request and I'm going to know his name. Please, hello brother, I'm sorry to disturb you. So if you don't mind, may I know your name, please?
Yeah, sure. My full name is Mahmoud Hassan, but call me Mahmoud.
Oh yeah, Mahmoud Hassan. I'm very much happy to talk to you. Actually, are you a teacher?
Yeah, sure. I'm a teacher. I'm an Arabic teacher at GI.
Oh yes, I got it. Your GI means G means global, E means
Global
education,
Institute.
I means institute.
Yes.
Very nice, fantastic name. So if you don't mind, I would like to request you recite some verses from the Holy Quran.
Yeah, sure.
Please recite some verses from the Holy Quran.
Yes. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لولا أن تداركه نعمة من ربه لنبذ بالعراء وهو مذموم فاجتباه ربه فجعله من الصالحين وإن يكاد الذين كفروا ليزلقونك بأبصارهم لما سمعوا الذكر ويقولون إنه لمجنون وما هو إلا ذكر للعالمين. صدق الله.
Thank you so much for reciting the Holy Quran. Actually, your tune is very fine. So I'm very much happy to recite. I'm very much happy to listen your reciting some verses from the Holy Quran. So as a Muslim, I need to learn how to learn Arabic language and how to recite the Holy Quran. So if you want to go to Jannah, we have to know Arabic language or Arabic. Without knowing Arabic, it is quite impossible to us to go to Jannah. So I am going to request all the viewers, those who watching this video, to try to learn Arabic language, to try to recite some verses from the Holy Quran. If you recite some verses from the Holy Quran daily, then you will get a lot of benefits from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. After death, you will be able to go to Jannah. There is no alternative way to go to Jannah without knowing the Holy Quran. So I'm request you to learn. Those who know how to read the Holy Quran, they are trying to read in every day. And those who don't know how to read the Holy Quran, so try to learn how to read the Holy Quran. Please accept my request. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.